Hey designers! In today's video, we're going to create a super easy hologram screen effect in After Effects. Let's dive right in. To start, have your main video ready in the timeline. This is the video I'll be working with. Now, we'll need a screen for the hologram effect. For this, I've got an Instagram scrolling screen recording video. The first step is to work on tracking. Turn off the visibility icon for the screen recording layer so we can focus on the main video. Select the main video layer, go to the window menu, and open the tracker panel. In the tracker panel, click on the track motion option. Next, we need to select the area in the main video that we'll use to track motion. For this example, I'm using the hands-free port near the charging spot. However, instead of an exact area, we want a slightly larger one to keep the motion tracking flexible. Adjust the selection area and move it so the plus icon is on the hands-free port. This will be our tracking reference point. Make sure your timeline indicator is on the first frame of the video. Once that's set, click on Analyze Forward. After Effects will begin analyzing and tracking the motion using the reference point we selected. Since we don't need a perfectly accurate motion track for this effect, it's fine if there's a bit of variation. Now, let's wait for After Effects to complete the motion tracking for the entire video. Once the motion tracking is complete, the next step is to create a null object. Go to the Layer menu, select New, and choose Null Object. This will serve as the reference for the motion tracking. Now, click on Edit Target in the Tracker panel and select Null 1, the null object we just created. After that, click Apply and press OK. What this does is attach the motion tracking data to the null object, making it follow the tracked motion throughout the video. Next, turn the visibility back on for the Instagram screen recording layer. To link this screen recording to the null object, use the Parent and Link dropdown, or the Pick Whip tool, to parent the Instagram video to null 1. Since the null object is following the motion, the Instagram video will now follow it as well, but its position might need adjustment. To make the layer 3D, click the 3D layer checkbox next to the Instagram video layer. Use the Orbit tool to rotate it slightly, or press R on your keyboard to access the rotation settings. Adjust the axis rotation to tilt it for a more dynamic holographic effect. Once the positioning and rotation look good, change the blending mode of this layer from normal to screen. Now, to enhance the holographic effect, let's add some glow. Go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for Directional Glow, and apply it to the Instagram video layer. Adjust the glow settings, change the color to a cool blue, and tweak other parameters like softness, opacity, and direction to match your desired look. And that's it. You now have a stunning hologram screen effect. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Ace Designs for more awesome content like this.